Okay, so today here we can observe that is the full wave converter, or it will be also called as that is the full wave bridge converter. So in some previous lecture we can observe that is the phase control rectifier, and this phase control rectifier is divided into that is the half wave converter. In that half wave converter we can also observe that is a half wave converter by using R load and by using RL load. So here basically we can observe that is the full wave converter by using that is the first case that we can observe, that is the R load. So the bridge converter, okay. So with respect to this name, here we can observe on your screen that the 4 SCR that we can connected across this load, that is the load is purely resistive here. Okay, so in some previous lecture when we can observe that is the half wave converter, then we can use only single diode, because the as per the name of the circuit half wave we can use single SCR, and then full wave converter then we can use that is the 2 SCR here. And if we can observe that is the full wave bridge converter, then we can use that is the 4 SCR. So it is a one type of the bridge that we can use here. So alternately, when we can provide the AC signal, okay, this one is all the circuit that we can observe, all these circuits are single phase AC supply. So where we can provide the AC signal across this bridge converter, the first two diodes, the first two SCRs will be turned on for the positive of cycle. At that time the remaining two SCR will be off, okay, because the positive signal will be we can provide across the SCR. So here with respect to this waveform you can understand that when we can provide the positive signal, so the first positive of cycles will be start from that is the zero initial point. So when we can provide the AC signal across the these four SCR, then because of the positive cycle the voltage is first comes across to these SCR1 and to the SCR2. So these two SCR1 and the SCR2 will be turned on for positive up cycle, and SCR3 and the SCR4 will remain off. So how the circuit is work, that we can observe with respect to this waveform. So here when we can provide the positive half cycle, or when we can provide the positive signal, the voltage is comes across to the 2 SCR. So here when the voltage is flowing from 0 point and it will be reaches to the maximum position on the another side, we say that when the voltage is the maximum, okay, then here you can observe the two SCRs, that means S1 and S2 will be on, because the maximum voltage when we can provide across to the SCR, then the SCR is on. So initially the angle that you can observe here, the 90-degree angle here. So the S1 and S2 is turned on, so we can define the angle that is called as the firing angle, that is alpha. So that in this so here we can observe the 2 SCR is on, then the voltage is decreases, and slowly it will be comes to the pi value, and the positive of cycle will be finished or ended. It means that the point across the load voltage, so means the output voltage you can observe S1 and S2 is turned on here, and from these points they will be turned on up to the pi value, because when the voltage is reaches to the pi value, the output voltage is reaches to the pi value. uh, so naturally the negative of cycles is begins, and these two SCR S1 and S2 both are turned on here. दोघाच्या दोघे इथे काय होऊन जाणार आहे, ऑफ होणार आहे. The reason is that the load is purely resistive. So because of the purely load is resistive, both the SCR, that means S1 and S2, they will be off up to the pi value. So from the pi here the negative of cycle is started. So here you can observe when the negative of cycle is started, the S1 and the S2 are already off. S3 and the S4 will be turned on for the negative of cycle. Okay, but the S3 and the S4 can't turn on here. Again they will be take the sometimes. It means when our voltage is reaches to the maximum point, or when the maximum voltage when we can provide across the two SCRs, that is S3 and S4, then they will be turned on. And here we can observe from the input voltage, the maximum voltage is here. So these points you can observe the S3 and the S4s will be turned on. So the angle here we can observe, that is pi plus alpha. So from this, again the voltage is decreases and reaches to the 2 pi, and the negative half cycle will be complete. So the point where the negative half cycle is complete, again these two SCRs will be off. That means here, here, when the negative cycle is completed, the S3 and S4 is off, because again that is the load is purely resistive. Okay. Are you understand it? Are you getting this? Okay.